It's good, YouTube. Get this wife of mine, damn spicy chicken sandwich.
Yay me!
The fuck?
While you sipping on your, what is it? Your watermelon mojito?
Bro, this is the best thing they came out with since the strawberry banana one. Damn, I wanted to read this dude's sign. It said hitting something. Hit and run victim homeless. Oh shit. I get it. At least you got a spare.
Okay. Yours just came
Hey, that shit. That dark gray is clean,
I'm
bro.
telling you, I love the dark gray on. But now I feel like I gotta switch my color up because I don't think the blue won't go right with that dark gray.
What the like? What? What you mean?
To do all like my accent joints, I want to do blue, but I feel like it's not gonna go right with the dark gray. That joint really like. I'm like, let me nope. Ain't nobody else get this bitch, especially not the backseat. Just fucking know that. No. Can't even ride.
Oh, hard turn. My bad, guys. That should be hard.
It'll be different.
Yeah.
They might have the same shit on their car. That should be annoying.
Huh. What do you want?
Just the spicy chicken sandwich.
How you doing, bro?
What here for you?
Spicy chicken sandwich.
No pickles.
With no pickles.
No, not the
No milk. Not the. I'm gonna take you over there to the one I seen this morning. But it's the RT. It's the Challenger, and I think it's a 2010. I swear I hate the way the inside of your 2010 look like. So I was like, yeah, nah. But it got like 95,000 miles on it. Nah, I want. No.
another hot fry. It need to be fresh like that all the time.
They overcooked it. They were talking too much.
And I just can't have it. Oh, I won't. I sing to the word.
I seen it. It was just right here. No, it's up there. It's up there. I see it.
With Raven, this for him. Oh, this gray and black.
I think it's like a 2010 or 2012. But the inside of that motherfucker is ugly, bro. It's not bad.
Love the big wheels on it.
It's not bad. Let's take a look at it. Come on, YouTube. You can come with us. Oh my God. Ew. No. Ew. Ew, chat. Ew. No, can't have that. Ew, no. Let's see what they talking about though. Oh, it's a 2014. You see that?
And how much they asking for?
I don't know. It don't say on here. Yeah, I don't know. It don't say on here. It's a 2014 though. Of course it's locked. I don't know why they locked like these motherfuckers can't take this shit. Not bad though. Oh, it's a stick?
Hell yeah. I might.
Damn. Shit, the one that Ja was talking about, that joint over here, is the Charger, the SRT8 Charger that they talking about. He gonna have to put 5,000 down without
Oh, no.
running anything. I'm like, God damn. Yeah, don't go ahead.
Red flag.
Bro, I love this fucking smoothie, bro. The smoothie is fucking fire. That joint over here at this Auto TYM. No, I'm sorry. It's at the Max Car Motors. Where that white people.
I mean,
No, it's a Charger I was telling you about from Ja.
I don't know why I thought it was in a different spot, a different one.
Yeah. It's next to the black. So I think I looked that one up. No, I had too many miles on it. Is this a fucking dirt bike? God damn, this nigga is dressed to impress, ain't it? I need to get the fuck about this lane anyways. About all the damn speed bumps. Oh, I mean, you're braking.
Should be an age limit. Hey, seriously.
Jalen said, he said, you need to be driving it like this. He said, and when you do this and you brake, it slows the car down. I said, yes, brother. I know that, brother. He said, because my shit be slowing down, and I be mine.
Should be out in what?
And that sad pack. That boy is going in that sad pack.
Body, I mean, all of them have the
I'm about to say all of them got the wide body look. And wanted it. And the ones that I did see when I didn't have it, but them Jones were fire. On here, besides that little turn, this is a great straightaway.
Oh, yeah.
Like, besides that little turn, it's a great straightaway.
Before we got to this motherfucking corner right here, I just knew we gonna be on the other side of the road. Them tires like,
Nigga, I
skin the grass. And
yeah, I skin the grass. Nigga, I gave that shit a line up, nigga. I get.
Are they leaving? If so, just back in right here to the left of you.
The glimpse of the lake. Damn, showing y'all to see the lake. That's fucked up. Shit fucked up. Hey, we'll be back with y'all when we get done taking pictures.